Hey, welcome back to the channel. So we're getting ready to shoot this Toyota Celica GTS I've been working on for a while for my wife. We're gonna shoot it black, original color. It is a backyard paint job, so you can see what you could do with, you know, a little bit of thought and what do you call it, so you can get a halfway decent paint job. So I'm gonna get right to it, start blasting this sucker off, and see if I can get it painted by the end of the day. So that's it, guys. It's all cleared. Looks pretty good. Looks pretty good. I have to say, it came out pretty nice. Now we're just gonna let it flash over, start setting. Once it sets, I'll turn on the heat and bake it in, and we'll go from there. So it laid out pretty nice, nice and flat. It's kind of like a factory orange peel to it, so it's pretty good. 3 coats of Glasurit clear. Hey, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my little brother, Rudy, professional detailer. So we got this Toyota Celica we've been talking about. I've been doing for my wife, and I figured I'd bring in a professional to buff it because it is black. So I'm pretty good, but he's better. So we're gonna hit this, and we'll bring you in on as we do it, and you'll see the videos, and you know, hit us up Send us some comments. Tell us what you think, if it's a piece of shit or not. You know, whatever you want to say. We'd like to hear from you. Don't forget to check out the merch. It's winter. Hoodies are available. Shirts are available. Hats are available. So get them while they last. And peace out.
Let's rock and roll.
Alright guys, let me show you the car before it's done. That way you can see what we did. We did wet sand it with 2000. I wet sanded it with 2000, 1000, 2000, 3000. You know, like I said on my other video. It is a backyard paint job, as you can see. But it came out pretty good. We wet sanded it because we wanted to get some of the dust out. Wasn't much in it, but yes, there was dust in it. And there still is a little bit. But like I said, you know, we're just, you know, painting it and making it look a lot better than it was before. So let me show you the car. We'll show you how it is, what we did. That's wet sanded with 3000. Final wet sand was 3000. As you can see, as a professional, he tapes off the top so we don't get any compound on it, because if he does, it's hard to get out, he says, which I agree. So you can see we stayed away from edges because that's what he told me to do. So that's what I would do anyway. I did go a little crazier than I should have, but you're there. You may as well make it look good. Make it look as good as you can, you know. Yeah. That's it. So we'll bring you back on. I'll bring you back halfway through, and then we'll bring you back on the final, man, so you can check it out. And then we'll do another video on the final put together of the car. It is a cool car. We had one when we were younger. My wife actually had it, so she wanted another one. We bought it. We did a lot of work to it, as you'll see on the other video. But you know, we'll get her done and you'll check it out. So hey guys, we're back. He's working on the last fender right now. It's still not even polished with the final coats. There's 2 more steps, but we're gonna hold off. Let the paint set a little more, and then we're gonna go from there. But let me show you what we got here. Let's see if I can do this. That sucker looks good. Looks real good. See if we can get the reflection.
Oh, it's,
yeah, the light reflection.
it's flat.
But it's there. Here we go. Take the light away. Look at that camera. Look at that. You guys are looking at me, brother, from behind the camera. I'm not even in front of the camera. This son of a bitch. I kind of went a little too far with the sanding, but for me it was worth it. A little harder for him to get it buffed out because, you know, I hit the nooks and crannies. He told me to stay away from the nooks and crannies, and I didn't. But that's just me, you know. I also started on a trunk. The Glasurit clear sanded so fast and so flat. I was like, well, I'm gonna have to make the rest of the car match because I can't put the orange peel back on. So we went in that direction. Let me go around the other side to the fender he's working on, and I'll show you some of the final results here, man, because this, not for nothing, but this son of a bitch came out nice.
Like I said, once we assemble it, then we'll just take and well, once you assemble it, not me. Yeah, then we'll just take and do the final steps and just touch up the little knickknacks.
Look at that. Look at that
black is a mother.
Look at that shine.
To do. So it's definitely got to get twice at least. So this is the first time hitting it. We're gonna hit it again, so we can definitely any little misses, any little dead spots that we see, we'll take care of it.
Yeah.
But it's I say about 85-90% done. Good to go.
Oh, look at that, man. And that's not even like finished, bro. That's not even finished. And that look at the depth in that freaking paint.
Yeah, once we hit it with the third step,
came out real good. Like I said, I'm behind the camera. It's filming forward, and I'm behind the camera. This is my reflection, bro.
Yeah, you can see it.
You can see everything. Look at the pimple I have. No.
It's like a mirror, man.
But it came out good. It came out real good. I'm happy. He's happy to a certain point because he wanted to totally finish it today. But that's okay. Like I said, we got time that'll let me put it back together. We'll put it back together. You know, maybe we'll freaking wait until spring because I don't think the car is going to go anywhere until spring. And then we'll get it back together. I got to do a little bit of motor work to it. Not motor work. Got to change a couple of seals because it's been sitting. And fix a few things like mirrors and stuff. If any of you guys got parts for these cars, for this car, it's a 85 Toyota Celica GTS Convertible. Let me know, man. You know, I could use a few parts. You know, yeah. Put it in the comments, man. Let me know what you guys got, and if I could use it, trust me, I'll buy it off you because this parts are hard to find. So this is Ace Custom Cars. That's my little brother Rudy, professional detailer. Peace out.